Hello dear children, good morning. Previously we have learned about comparison of objectives. We have learned about positive degree and comparative degree. Positive degree is the normal form of an adjective or verb. Positive degree is the normal form of an adjective or verb. Whereas comparative degree is the form of an adjective or adverb modified by more or ending in er, that is used when comparing two things. Here we use than for comparing. Okay, today we are going to learn about superlative degree. Superlative degree, superlative, superlative, degree, degree. The form of an adjective or adverb express the highest or a very high degree of quality. The form, the form form of an adjective adjective or adverb adverb express express the highest, the highest, or a very high, very, high, degree, degree of quality, quality. Superlative degree is usually marked by the suffix "ist" or the word "most". superlative, superlative, degree is usually marked marked by the suffix suffix "ist", east, or the word word "most", most. For example, the teacher is the tallest person in school. The teacher is the tallest, tallest, person, in school. The teacher is the tallest person in school. Once again, repeat along with me, children. An adjectives can be written in three different forms called degrees of comparison. First one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, third one is superlative degree. Okay, now we see the complete table of positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, we see the complete table of positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Big, bigger, biggest, big, big, bigger, bigger, biggest. Smart, smarter, smartest, smart, smart, smarter, smart. Strong, stronger, strongest, strong, strong, stronger, strongest, strong, stronger, strongest. Exciting, more exciting, the most exciting, 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 more, exciting, exciting, The the most most exciting exciting. Polite more polite most polite. polite polite. M polite more polite most polite. polite polite. more polite. polite polite. Most polite. most most. polite polite most polite. Funny funnier funniest. funny funny. funnier funnier. funniest funniest. Hardworking more hardworking most hardworking. hardworking hardworking. more hardworking. hardworking more hardworking. Most hardworking. most most. hard working most hardworking. Expensive more expensive most expensive. expensive expensive. More more expensive. expensive. Most expensive. most most. expensive. Peaceful more peaceful most peaceful. peaceful peaceful. More more peaceful peaceful. most most peaceful most peaceful. Easy easier the easiest. easy easy. easier the easiest. the easiest. Once again repeat along with me, children. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Big bigger biggest. Smart smarter smartest. Strong stronger strongest. Exciting more exciting the most exciting. Polite more polite most polite. Funny funnier funniest. Hardworking more hardworking most hardworking. Expensive more expensive most expensive. Peaceful more peaceful most peaceful. Easy easier the easiest. Okay, children, today we have learned comparison of objectives, like 3 different forms of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Please, children, watch this video 2 to 3 times, and after watching this video write it down in your homework books. Okay, thank you, children. Bye.